Hey guys, it's Brandon here from Exhausted, and this is my work truck. It's extremely dirty. I haven't washed it in almost a year, and guess what? I'm matching my truck. I felt like dressing like a highlighter today, so, but whatever. Let's get into it. And what we got here is a lot of dirtiness. It's really, really bad. It went through snowstorms. I mean, just look at that. I mean, just look at how dirty this is. Most of that will probably just rinse right off, but I'm gonna try my best to not even touch it. And you're probably thinking like, Brandon, how are you gonna do this without touching it? Well, if you've been on the internet, like I've been on the internet, and I think you've been on the internet because you're watching this video on the internet, there is a specific touchless wash that has been on the internet for like a couple years now. I've seen good reviews about it. I haven't seen really any bad videos on it, but I'm gonna do it, and it's entirely unsponsored. I bought it out of my own pocket, and right here we have the Total Wash. This is unsponsored. They did not send me this. I bought this with my own money out of my pocket. All I did was take it out of the packaging that it came shipped in, and let's open it up. Okay, I haven't even opened it up yet. All I did was take it out. And it did come sealed, but I did cut that. But other than that, that's all I've done. So I did buy the off-road Total Wash. It says it's supposed to be better from the reviews that I've seen. So here are the instructions on the box. Pause it if you want to read it. Here's tube. There, little in there. It's good for packaging. Foam cannon. It actually looks pretty high quality. I do have a foam cannon from Amazon. I don't even know what brand it was, but it does come with 2 bottles. And at the time that I was purchasing this, it came with a free Hydro Code quick detailer with pump sprayer. Haven't used it. Still brand new. Still full. Looks cool. Looks good. I have used Chemical Guys quick detailer in the past. I have not used WB Total Performance Products Total Wash brand before, but we got a little cheap pressure washer that I've been using for years. Not a sponsor. Hope it works. First time using it this year. But we're going to use it on the work rig to get rid of all this stuff, and I'm not even going to touch it. So there's the bottle. I did it off camera. All I did was put it in there, installed the tube, and put it on there, and now I got to put it on the pressure washer. I actually did it on camera. Forgot to press record. I'm an idiot. So now let's get this hooked up, get this cleaned up, because this truck is disgusting. It is absolutely disgusting. It's going to be fun to do this without a tripod and without anybody to help me with. So, like, comment, subscribe. Okay, actually, I thought about it a little bit before I hooked that up. I'm going to put the tip on it and just try to get a little bit of this off. Okay, well, I mean, it's still dirty. Don't get me wrong. It's still, see, I mean, there's still stuff on it. Well, I mean, it's still dirty. Hold on. So, where's my finger? There. So, as you can see, it's still pretty dirty. And we're going to use that to test it out. I'm going to wet it down real quick, and then I'll get back to you when it's time to put that on. Are you okay? Are you okay? Cool. Alright, so we are ready to spray this. All I've done so far is I put it on there and I put it all the way to the plus. I think that's the right way. The nozzle all the way. Stand by. Put this together. Yeah, I'm a flattering pick. So close it, open it, you get the drift. So let's go. think we need less. So all the way less with it. Let's see what happens. Okay, a little bit of adjusting later, and I made it. Got it into a fan pattern here. It's a whole lot better. I'm gonna go ahead and spray this side down. It says wait, 30 seconds. Spray it down. So we're gonna spray it on there, and then we'll wait a full 2 minutes, and then rinse it down. All right. Let me spray this side down. Okay, it hasn't been a full minute yet, but I just sprayed it down. You can still see where I fingered.
That's what she said.
I fingered my truck. It's coming off. It's a little soapy. It's not drying, but good news. Look at that. Look at that. She's cleaning the tire off. So that's pretty good, right? It's pretty good. The bugs still look like bugs. Isn't that crazy? Come around here. Look at the mirrors. They're still looking dirty. But I started. It's only been 1 minute. It's only been 1 minute since I stopped. So, but that's good. I'm starting to see a little brown on there, so that's good. And it's only been like 20 seconds since that last little bit, but still, I just wet it down just a touch. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I'm not thoroughly impressed so far. It's almost gone. I've only sprayed half the vehicle. I don't even know if it's going to be able to finish the whole vehicle, but we'll see. We'll see. Let's go ahead. Top to bottom. So I just sprayed the back less than a minute ago. And it's running. It's got a good run to it. It's doing things. The good thing is cleaning the tire, it looks like. But we do have some dirt runs right there. Hard to see it, possibly. Okay guys, well, I actually rinsed off the whole truck, and I'm not too happy with the results. Maybe I did it wrong. Let me know in the comments. But this was the passenger side piece. I mean, as you can see, that's my fingerprint from earlier. I mean, that's pretty clear as mud there, right? I let it sit there for a while. I mean, even in the chrome on the bumper is a little still dirty. Can I recommend this product? Not really. I can't even recommend it for tires yet because it hasn't dried. Let me do that before this video ends. We'll come back to that. But this product so far, I cannot recommend it because it didn't really clean the vehicle like it said it was going to. Didn't really clean it. Let's go look at the front. So here's the front. I mean, I actually did a pretty damn good job. Did a pretty good job. I mean, the bugs are not there. It did a pretty good job. Like I said, this was bad. This was really bad. This was about as bad for a street vehicle as you could possibly get. And it actually doesn't look too bad right now while it's still wet. I really don't have the sun here to dry it up, but it's not too bad. I think I could recommend this product if it wasn't as dirty as this. If you just had a normal street truck or Jeep or something like that gets dirty-ish on the road, and you just want to wash it on the weekends, like every other weekend, maybe once a month or something like that. Don't wait a whole year like I did. I mean, geez, guys, don't do that. Don't do that. I think that's a rock chip. It didn't really save me any time. It just saved me labor, in a sense. So, and it's really expensive. So I really don't. I just can't see it. I just can't see spending the money on it because the refills on it is just so expensive. If you don't believe me,
what are you doing?
Nothing. Me? Just hanging around.
go look it up. I'm not even gonna tag the product because I don't want no affiliation with it at all, because I'm not gonna purchase it again. Now let me know in the comments whether or not you love the product or not, and send me some videos of it actually working, because everything I've seen so far is an ad, like they're trying to sell it. I bought it. I wanted to see. I wasn't gonna push it on you guys. I was gonna tell you the product's great because I don't need an affiliation for it at all. But so far, I just can't recommend it. It's too pricey. If the price comes down, it'd be a great every weekend. Just have your pressure washer set up, spray it down, do the whole car, and then wash it down after 5 minutes. Not even that, and blow it off, and you're good. But right now I can't. But let me dry off one of these wheels, or a couple of them. Let's see how clean it looks. So I just used my Milwaukee leaf blower to dry off a few of these wheels, and it actually cleaned it up pretty well. I haven't even touched it yet. Oh wow, I mean, yeah. Okay, I can recommend it. I can recommend the product because scrubbing tires and stuff is absolutely a chore. It's a chore that I hate doing, but you gotta love the wheels, man. But these things are pretty clean. I mean, there's only a little bit of dirt left on my finger. Hang on, let me get a clean finger. That one look good. Let's go there. I mean, that's not bad. So, I mean, you probably want to scrub it, but you don't. You don't have to if you don't need to. But again, it's been a long time since this truck has been washed. So, I mean, it did a good job. I just don't know if it's recommendable just because of how much it is. And it's a little windy, hair's going crazy, a little long, need a haircut. I think I'm just gonna go back with using a microfiber towel, man. I didn't see anything that stuck out to me that I need to do that. Like, if the price came down to like where Chemical Guys is for that bottle, yeah, I would buy that. I would buy that in a heartbeat, because that would save me time and money. And money is time, right? Time is money. Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna end it off here. Keep it between the ditches. I'm Brandon. This is Exhausted. Subscribe, like, please share it, or don't. At least like it. Comment. Please comment. Comment. Tell me how stupid I am. How stupid does his hair look? My wife likes it. I don't. She's the boss, so.